In this video, we will describe how to create a moov configuration for a Premier service. Before you can integrate a Premier service, you will first need to have a Premier integration set up on your account. If you have not yet set one up, please contact us at support@detamoov.com. To integrate with a Premier service, you will also need to make sure you have added the moov definition to your account. Information on how to add a moov definition can be found in our knowledge base articles. In this example, we will be integrating the ExecuPay API to create a scheduled data import that moves data through the John Hancock moov definition for our client's configuration. First, we'll click on the Moves option on the left and select the standard 401k to John Hancock move. You can either select an existing client configuration or create a new one. We'll select an existing client configuration here and click Next. Under the Trigger Data File Received step, click the ExecuPay API banner and click the Add button. Note that if you do not see the ExecuPay API option, please contact us for assistance. On the panel that appears, select the ExecuPay API option from the Premier Integration dropdown, enter in the client ID, enter in their last payroll ID processed, and select the payroll status that detamoov will check when processing the payroll. A Premier service needs to be scheduled to run on certain days of the month or every X amount of weeks on a certain day or days of the week. To schedule the Premier service to run on specific days of the month, select the option from the drop-down menu, select the days of the month to run the Premier integration, then set the time the Premier integration is to run. To run every X weeks, select the option from the drop-down, select the date of the next execution. This is the date the integration will run next. The day of the week from our selected next execution date will be automatically selected, but you can select multiple days of the week if you wish. Then we'll specify the time the execution will run and select the number of weeks to repeat the execution. Then we'll click OK. We'll scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Next, and then save on the next page. We've now set our Premier service to connect to the ExecuPay API every Friday to kick off the standard 401k to John Hancock move.